Hello, today I'm going to try to show you how to make a traditional milker's stool, a one-legged stool that really has a lot of stability because in essence it's not a one-legged stool because I have one leg here, one here, and one here, so it's a three-legged stool, very stable. These are being used a lot in classrooms now because they are really great for kids that have ADHD. They're a little bit hyperactive. Their bottom is constantly moving and balancing on these. It's great for the lower back. And I'm going to try today, this is one that I made for my grandson. And you can see, excuse the kitty that is meowing, you can see underneath I just used some hardware to put this top on. And I have a little bumper from Home Depot, rubber on the bottom so it won't slip. But I'm going to try to make a more exotic one today with some olive wood cut to shape your bottom. So we'll see how that goes. Please. Well, I got it finished, and you can see I have a natural edge right here, finish. And the reason we like that edge so much is you can see our table here has the same natural edge on it. And I can set this down. You can see it is a pretty good match. Not that I'm going to be using it here that often. And when I sit down on it, it's very comfortable. I've got my 3 legs down there. And I like it because it makes me sit upright, or when I use it in front of my computer, I have to have a good posture with this. I hope this gives you some ideas for something you might want to try, and I really thank you for watching this video on my station. Take care.